Hey, welcome in. Welcome to our crib or our cabin. This happens to be Radiance of the Seas. We're on deck 10 and this is cabin 1536, a grand suite. So come on, take a look and we'll get started. This is our second time on a grand suite and the first in this class, and can't wait to show you around. So before we start, let's come on over here and look at our wonderful bar area. And I have to say that this has just been so nice to have a drop station, someplace where we can put stuff down, organize, and it's not cluttering up the whole other area. You can see some of the special treats that the suite level gets, including some bottled water, some fruit to start our adventure, ice all the time, and plenty of shelving here just for us to place our stuff. Now, unlike most cabins, we don't have a typical one closet. What we have is really a bunch of built-ins. You gotta check this out. So first off here, our safe is here, and this is just extra storage area. Now coming over here with these built-ins, you can see that we have plenty of storage for our hang-up clothes, bars if you want to have a second level of hang-up clothes, and plenty of room for shoes and again anything else you want to store underneath these clothing. In addition, you'll see that they've stocked us with different size pillows, so we definitely have a choice of pillows when you come in here. And if you need more light, they do think of everything right there. We'll turn that off for now. And we'll turn over, we'll go over to this side. More built-ins. Here's where you have your shelving storage. And you can see over here they are deep in length and also deep going down. So it's a bank of 6, which has been very helpful. And over here, again, some really just big storage, which we just haven't used. And over here is the refrigerator slash cooler, which is tough to get in, but there you have some cheese and some waters that we have in our cooler right now. So finishing up, you've probably seen this, but like we don't have enough storage, we have some ending shelves right over here to put anything that you want in there. So again, not your typical closet, but it feels like we've got double the space of even a junior suite for us to just totally relax and put everything away that we need to put away. All right, let's go into the bathroom. So we come in here, a small step up takes you into some luxury. Okay, tons of mirrors everywhere. Solid surface, probably granite countertops, and look at the gold accents. And I gotta say, I'm a stickler for things like this. I just love the stream that they have coming out of these faucets. Again, plenty of storage on either side. Up here, you have medicine cabinets. Another one on this side. And more storage than I don't think anyone would need for a 7-day or even multiple week cruise. Because when you look down below here, you have plenty of storage with garbage on either side. You can see here too. And if you still need more room, you have drawers right over here and another one down below. So plenty of storage, and hey, who doesn't like a tiled bathtub in your cabin? And suites get shampoo, conditioner, and body wash upgrades. And again, some gold accents, a nice deep tub, and all told, just really, really nicely appointed bathroom. And towels everywhere. In addition, a very long clothesline, which I won't even put out. It's so long. So really nice. We've got the flush here, and they stock you with tons of towels. And let's not forget 4 hooks that right now are holding our suite bathrobes. So watch your step coming out. We'll close this up, and we'll make sure we cover all the interesting things. Over here you have your light switches, and this room is so large they have 2 light switches that do half the lights each for the entire cabin. Over here is the bathroom light, which we had on, and this no longer works. It's the typical, used to be turn on the announcements inside or turn them off. And over here is our first of 2 temperature controls, because you have one for the living area, and you'll see later on we've got another one for the bedroom area. And of course, you heard it to start. This is our doorbell. All right, let's come on into the living area. Over here, it's just nicely appointed. We have a nice phone that's over on that side of the couch. You have a couch, 2 chairs, and over here you have your coffee station, which you can make a cappuccino or some coffee shots or a full cup of coffee. Tea and coffee is pre-loaded here, and they'll fill you up as you use it. And down below here, you will see a bunch of plugs for your power needs in the living room, which is really very thoughtful and really important in this size room. And finishing the living room, you'll see a TV over here that swivels, and a second place of 4 places that you can turn the main lights on and off for the entire cabin. Okay, welcome to the bedroom. And our towel animal is studying the cruise compass. I have to say, another sweet benefit is they seem to always give you a paper version, and you don't have to request it. So that's awesome. And over here you have your makeup area, your vanity, or it could be a desk. And right off the bat, if this is not enough room, we do have a pull-out shelf over there if you need extra space. Okay, name of the game here is storage. Shelving here. Same on this side. And then down below, a lot of drawers. 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and then 2 drawers right underneath or the main area of your vanity. Now, you'll see 2 American plugs that no longer work. They're probably for cables with the computer and laptops. And over here, you can see that we have 2 European plugs. And this is the vanity light. And over here is that mirror that magnifies if needed, and can go up or down, so you can change the height of that. So very well appointed desk area. We have our king size beds, followed by nightstands, and 2 drawers on this side. Again, the extra lighting to turn on the lights on and off for the entire cabin. And then your sconces have a button over here. To the other side, you have the same lighting on controls on each side, and also the same 2 drawers. So hopefully you can get a sense of the space of this place. It's the equivalent, honestly, of 2 balcony rooms put together. But if it's 2 balconies put together, it also means you have a double-sized balcony. So come on out. Now it's twilight as we've left Nassau. We love this balcony. It is not one of the deepest balconies, but it does give you plenty of room for a full-size lounge chair. And truly over here, a nice sized table if you want to call room service or bring food in, with two really comfortable chairs. So it's truly a level up from your basic rooms, your basic cabins, and it's a treat for us. We thoroughly are enjoying it and appreciate it, and let's finish up inside. Well, hopefully you have enjoyed our Grand Suite. It is a novelty for us. We're not usually suite people, but we thoroughly enjoy it when we can find the right deal for us to enjoy this level of luxury on a cruise ship. So again, this is Radiance of the Seas, cabin 1536, and hope you've enjoyed the tour. Take care.